Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete a post on Facebook. To delete a post on Facebook, firstly open your Facebook application. Now tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down a little. After finding a post you want to delete, tap on three-dotted icon. Now tap on move to recycle bin. Now tap on move. If you are seeing this post again, refresh the page. This is how you will be able to delete a post on Facebook. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.